How do I know if my evaporator coil is dirty? The clearest signs are weak airflow from your vents, air that feels warm instead of cool, ice or frost building up on the coil, higher than normal energy bills, and a musty smell when your system turns on. Think of the evaporator coil like the lungs of your cooling system. It is the part inside your indoor unit that pulls heat and moisture out of the air so your home feels cool and comfortable. When dust, pet hair, and grime build up on the coil, it acts like a blanket that blocks the cold metal from touching the air properly, so your system has to work much harder to do the same job. Here is something most people never learn. A dirty coil does not just lower comfort, it can actually cause the refrigerant inside the coil to get too cold and freeze into a block of ice, which then melts and can leak water into your home. Once ice forms, the system loses even more efficiency because ice acts like an insulator too, blocking heat transfer almost completely. A simple way to check is to remove the front panel of your indoor unit and shine a flashlight on the coil. If you see a layer of gray or brown fuzz instead of clean metal fins, it needs cleaning. Changing your air filter every 1 to 3 months is one of the easiest ways to prevent this buildup in the first place, since a clogged filter sends more dust straight onto the coil. One common mistake people make is waiting until the system completely stops cooling before checking the coil. But by then, the coil is usually caked with buildup and the compressor may already be under stress, so check it twice a year even if everything seems fine. Another misconception is that pouring water or spraying random cleaners on the coil will fix it. But the wrong chemicals can damage the aluminum fins or push debris deeper into the system, so stick to a proper coil cleaner made for that purpose or call a trained technician. People also forget that a dirty outdoor condenser coil causes many of the same symptoms, so if cleaning the indoor coil does not solve the problem, the outdoor unit likely needs attention too. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.